Have you ever looked at the climate clock in New York City on East 14th Street above Best Buy and wondered, if climate change is really happening, why can't I see it? Our team members were inspired by this very occurrence as we pondered the reality of climate change in our daily lives. To address this, Climate Continuity was created to provide holistic access to truly understand the impacts of climate change through an artistic eye. To put climate change into perspective, from 2000 to 2023, Saudi Arabia's average yearly temperature has risen from 25.71 degrees Celsius to 26.52 degrees Celsius. This gradual warming over 23 years follows a prolonged trend as greenhouse gas production increases due to excessive fossil fuel consumption and other factors, trapping solar radiation within Earth's atmosphere through the enhanced greenhouse effect. As these weather conditions change, the climate changes, causing different conditions over the years. In Saudi Arabia, for example, as average temperatures rise, the frequency of sandstorms also rise. In 2017, during the plateau in average temperatures rise, sandstorm frequency was 98 a year. However, in 2018, at a peak in temperature, frequency was 185. This shows the potential impacts of global warming visually. Another example is the 2 degrees Celsius rise in temperature in the Mediterranean, warning of desertification and ruining its lush green charm. So, have you ever wondered what it would look like in your country if temperatures fluctuated? Well, Climate Continuity allows you to visualize the potential of climate change, allowing you, the user, to understand the true scale of detriment climate change can have. Here is a video explaining how our product works.
Here is Climate Continuity, the AI we wish to make, and how it works. There will be an opening API which asks the user for two main questions: which location they would like to choose, and how long in the future they want to view that location. The location can be anything from our planet, but let's say the user selected KAUST, and for example, and then chooses to see KAUST 5 years in the future. Then the user can press the generate button. Once this is done, the AI will generate an hyper-realistic artwork of how KAUST would look like in 5 years if the rate of global warming continues at the current rate, based on statistics from sources included in the World Bank. Please note that the following images are likely not exactly accurate to the future. We based off our demo art pieces primarily on droughts and heat. For our actual art pieces, we'll be basing our AI on statistics and facts. Here's the generated image. It looks similar to KAUST right now. So let's try to see if there's more of a change in 50 years. What about in 100 years? Our AI is not restricted to just one place. It can create accurate images of any city anywhere. For example, Tokyo, New York, and Riyadh. Over time, an entire gallery of images can be made just like this. We hope that visually showing how global warming can affect our audiences and their beloved homes through our art gallery can create a spark inside them. A spark that cannot be made from statistics and reports, and a spark that will help us put an end to global warming.